In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your website using Hostinger's Website Builder. Whether you want to engage your visitors with a welcome video or share important content, embedding a video is a fantastic way to make your website more dynamic and interactive. It's a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure a smooth experience. First, let's open up Hostinger's Website Builder. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is where the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options available, as this will be your command center for all future site edits. Now, with the website builder open, you need to decide which page you want to add the video to. Simply navigate to the page section where you'd like your video to appear. This could be your home page, a dedicated video page, or perhaps within a specific blog post. It's important to think about where the video will be most effective in enhancing your site's content and user engagement. Once you've selected the appropriate section, it's time to add the video element. You can do this by selecting the Add Video element from the available options. This feature allows you to effortlessly insert videos from popular platforms like YouTube or Vimeo directly onto your web page. Now that you've chosen the video element, you'll need to have the link to your desired video handy. Simply head over to YouTube or Vimeo, find the video you want to display, and copy its URL. With the link copied, return to the website builder and paste the video link in the designated space. This is essentially telling Hostinger's tool where to fetch your video from. After pasting the link, you'll notice a preview of your video appear right in the builder. This is where you'll want to adjust the size and position of the video on the page. You might decide to make it the focal point of the section, or you might want it to complement other content. Whatever your choice, make sure it fits well with the overall design and flow of the page. Lastly, it's crucial to save your progress. You don't want to lose all your hard work by closing the builder without saving. Once saved, go ahead and publish your site. This action will make your video live on your website, ready for visitors to view and interact with. And that's it. You now have a video embedded on your site, adding a dynamic layer to your content. Remember, videos can significantly boost engagement and provide a richer experience for your audience. So make sure to choose videos that align well with your site's purpose and message. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and happy building.